Bird Paradise Singapore Bird Hub. Step into a world of vibrant colors and incredible bird life at Bird Paradise, Asia's largest bird park. Home to over 3,500 birds from more than 400 species. This stunning wildlife destination features immersive walk-through aviaries, interactive feeding sessions, and spectacular bird presentations. Every corner offers a unique encounter with nature, a perfect destination for families, nature lovers, and photography enthusiasts alike. Sparkles. One of the highlights of the park is the stunning collection of flamingos with their bright pink feathers creating a picture-perfect scene. The park also features playful penguins, colorful parrots, majestic hornbills, and many other fascinating birds. One of the most exciting parts of visiting Bird Paradise is the live bird shows and presentations. These entertaining performances showcase the intelligence, natural behaviors, and unique abilities of different bird species. Visitors can watch birds soar across the arena, demonstrate their skills, and interact with trainers while learning interesting facts about wildlife conservation. These shows are a must-watch experience and are enjoyed by both children and adults alike.
Even more interesting, okay? Let's see what's happening from inside the nest hollow. Take a look at the screen.
The screen.
Ladies and gentlemen, we hope you enjoyed meeting our beautiful region of the world. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you for joining me on this wonderful journey through Bird Paradise Singapore. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SV Vlogs in Lion City for more exciting adventures across Singapore. See you in the next vlog.